right. Yesterday I got 2 sales, one from YouTube and another one from an email campaign for Labor Day promotion. But when I look into my Google Ad account, it's showing 2 conversions. How is this possible? Okay. I also I look into the ads level, it's showing 7 conversions. I've shared screenshots of the dashboard ad. Okay, I'm doing anything wrong or missing on something. Please share your thoughts. So that's just a screenshot of your 2 conversions you made. Okay. Then you have given, I'll try and enlarge this a bit for everybody. Okay. I pretty much know what this is. So you're looking at the all conversions data where you got 5 and 2 equals 7. And then you got the conversions over here as 2. I know what you've done. Okay. Again, this is a very simple mistake which I have made also before. See, now you got 3 conversions over here. Yeah? One is purchases, one is add to cart, and one begin checkout. Purchases, you can see, is the action over here is primary. Let me try and zoom in a bit. That's a bit better. Try and a bit more. All right. Okay, yeah, that's a bit better. Purchase, primary action, correct, 2 conversions. Then you got add to cart, primary, as 3 conversions. Begin checkout, secondary, as 2 conversions. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Google is recording these correctly, but what is not correct is this. Now, I bet this is a Shopify website, because when you connect the Shopify conversion tracking, the add to cart comes over here as primary. You need to make this a secondary, because this is not a conversion. The conversion is just the first one, which is primary. So primary, this add to cart and begin checkout or any other, or shipping info, whatever the steps are towards the path to that conversion, you got to keep it secondary. So this is why you got 7 conversions over here, is because you got 2 conversions and 5 as secondary conversions. So you need to change that first of all. And because you are looking at the all conversions column, there you go. That's showing 7, which is also correct. But then the conversions also is correct, which is 2. Now, you mentioned about one was by email. Without looking into it a bit deeper, I cannot make a suggestion as to why Google probably has in that attribution, because that may well have come through an ad and then they signed up for a coupon code or whatever, then they came back to the website and converted, or you may have sent an abandoned cart email. They clicked on it. Klaviyo is going to take that attribution, and so is Google Ads. So not the end of the world. As long as the conversion tracking is working, it's fine, because Klaviyo will want to take that attribution as well as Google Ads.